Oh, hey, stranger who I've never met. What do you got here? Ugh, disgusting. Why would you do this to yourself? Ugh. Don't worry, I got some healthy alternatives that all you scrawny kids around the world will enjoy. We've got whey protein covered almonds, tuna shake, a ball of unsalted grass-fed butter. That looks good. Now those are snacks to die for. No, you can live the rest of your life without losing a foot. For the love of God, boy, do some burpees. Something. Pathetic. Okay, cut. Cut, that's good. All right, here's your 20 bucks.
The ad said 100.
The ad said 100. Shut up, get out of here. Get lost. You don't throw this at me. Get. Sasquatch. Ooh, feel that burn. Oh, come on, ruining my squat sesh. This better be good. Hello? Yeah, this is Brohemoth. This better be good, Doc, because I'm pretty sure I saw hot mamacita checking out these ankles.
Brohemoth, we just got your monthly blood test back from the lab. Looks like you now have diabetes. Sorry. Goodbye.
Wait, what? Oh, crap. Hey, Brohemothians. Brohemoth here. Turns out Brohemoth has his work cut out for him. Turns out this diabetes was pretty serious. So serious that I had to get my foot amputated. Well, you still gotta keep the foot, right? I miss you so much. See right here, my daddy. That's my favorite. No offense left. Yeah, we got a 747 coming in from Detroit, Michigan. Detroit. Well, I don't care if you pronounce it like that. I say Detroit. Yes, they're coming from Detroit, Michigan. Can you just please get them prepped for landing? Marvin, listen to me! I don't care how you say it! Detroit, Michigan! Hey, Jimmy! Hey! Can you give me some water? Some juicy fruit.
Yeah, how's it going, folks? Benjamin Revolver here. I'm here about to show you how to make a pizza from scratch, you know, with flour. None of that instant stuff with the already made crust. Kaplawi, there, put it on the pizza pan. You're just gonna start pushing it around, stretching it out a little bit until you make a nice thin crust layer. You know, if you don't like a thin crust like me, you can always make a smaller size pizza with the same amount of dough. Maybe make a 9-inch pizza instead of a 12-inch. 12 inches, ladies. I know you like that 12-inch pizzas. I apologize. Put the pizza pie in there for about 17 minutes. I like it crispy. Thin crispy, my favorite. I can eat about 10, 15 pizzas. So you put it in there for about 17 minutes to get it nice and crispy, and then we'll go ahead and show you how it looks when it comes out, okay? All right, then. How do you turn that? Well, look at that. Now that is one delicious looking pizza, gourmet from a culinary artist, world-renowned chef as myself, Benjamin Revolver. Get yourself a big old slice of pizza. That's really hot. Maybe you should let it set for a couple moments or something.